Founded in 2011, Guangzhou GoMate Company Limited is a well-experienced exporter specializing in selling and designing various drinkware. We dedicate to exploring innovative products and bringing high-quality products to the international market. In the past 10 years, our products have been exported to Europe, North America, South America, Africa, Middle East, and Southeast Asia. The European market contributes 70% of the annual turnover to the company. To provide high-quality products is our commitment to the market. Quality control is the most important part of the production process of commodities. Every finished product is strictly designed to meet global quality standards, LFGB, REACH, DGCCRF, EN 12546. With our competitive price and stable quality, we have established long-term partnerships with global entrepreneurs and won a high reputation in the drinkware and kitchenware industry. GoMate owns a professional team in design, marketing, and after-sales service that could help you turn your ideas into reality. We adhere to the goal of being market-oriented, meeting client needs, and improving customer experience, and are committed to providing high-quality products and efficient services to customers around the world. GoMate is an enterprise that adheres to the pirate spirit, being adventurous, brave, never giving up. We open for a frank exchange of views. We share, we fight, we cooperate. We take our responsibilities to do the best.